Add to calendar links are the simplest way to let people save your event. In Google, Apple, Outlook, or anywhere else. In the next 2 minutes, I'll show you how to create them in Stripo's generator. No code, no sign up. It's one form, right on the page. No account, no setup needed. Start with the event title. This is what people will see in their calendar, so make it specific. Pick your start date, then the start and end time. The picker moves in 15-minute steps. Right next to the dates is the time zone. Double check it, because that's where most invites go wrong. If your event runs all day, tick all day event and the time fields disappear. Then add the location. Write the address the way you'd send it to a taxi driver. Everything here goes straight into the guest's calendar. If the event is online, tick Online Event. The location field turns into a meeting link, so people join straight from their calendar. If it's a series, tick Repeat Event and open the settings. Choose how often it repeats, pick the days, and set when it ends. Never on a date or after a number of occurrences. Don't skip the description. You have 2,000 characters. Add a short agenda, what to prepare, a contact for questions. A quick tip: paste full links. Calendars keep plain text only, and that small, powered by Stripo line on your event page, on a paid Stripo plan, you can hide it. Hit Create Event Link, and you get a ready event page. Copy the link into your email or landing page, or open the separate calendar links: Google, Apple, Yahoo, Outlook, AOL, and an ICS file. That's it. Under a minute per event. Create your calendar link in Stripo right now.